Welcome to BicycleEngines.com. This is the Phantom Wraith, a completely redesigned engine that comes stock with a bunch of really awesome parts, like this super cooling head, awesome short CNC intake, upgraded carb, and a bunch of other goodies. Today, we are going to be doing a little bit of break-in work on this engine. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get right into it. During the break-in period, try not to go over 30 miles per hour or half throttle. All right, make sure you go down and check out all of the details and everything you need to know about your own Phantom Wraith. Thanks for stopping by BicycleEngines.com.